we will sell self-heating food pack. Well, let's get to it. This product is an active packaging with the ability to heat food contents without external heat sources or power. This product can also be self-cooling. Other than that, the packaging is designed such that hot water sits below the tray of the food and steams it, which means that this product or meal is easy and ready-to-eat meal. Well, however, self-heating packed food is useful for military operations during natural disaster. But as for our team, we are targeting to sell it to university students, office workers. Our team had already discussed about our business. We would like to sell self-heating food packaging, which I've said before. And for the price is Rm22 gets 50 cents for each pack. And as for a year, the unit of our product will be sold around 1,150 units. Also comes with 2.80% rate per annum.
So for questions future value after 1 year saving, you just need to follow the formula we had provided in the slide before. The answer we got for this question was 35,079 ringgit and 62 cents. Next, the question is future value for 2 years. We just use same formula as before and we get the answer was 83,941 ringgit and 75 cents. For the calculation, we take our answer in questions future value after 1 year saving and we multiply it with the percent we want to withdraw. So 3579 ringgit and 60 cents multiply with 50%. So the amount that was left in our account was 17,539 ringgit 81 cents. Therefore, we save our money in a bank that was called RHB Bank. Questions 4. Production cost was 50 ringgit. For market price, it was 22 ringgit and 50 cents. And how to calculate the net profit? First, the production cost will be minus to market price. So 22 and 50 cents minus to 50 ringgit. The answer for this question's net profit was 7 ringgit and 50 cents. In first year, 1,115 units multiply with 22 and 50 cents. So the answer was 25,875 ringgit. That was our first annual list price. For annual production cost, 1,150 units multiply with 50 ringgit. And the answer was 17,250 ringgit. So for profit in first year was 26,640 ringgit 81 cents. Next, the second year, we multiply the 1,500 unit with 22 and 50 cent ringgit, 33,750 ringgit. For annual production cost, 1,500 units multiply with 50 ringgit. So the answer was 22,500 ringgit. First, 33,750 minus to 22,501 and the answer was 11,250 ringgit. But that was not the actual answer. 26,164 and 81 cents need to plus to the answer before. So the answer was 37,440 and 81 cents. Then for third year, 2,000 units multiply with 22 ringgit and 50 cents. So the annual list price was 45,000 ringgit. The annual production cost was 2,000 unit multiplied with 50 ringgit equals to 30,000 ringgit. So for the profit, we use same way as before. First, 45,000 ringgit minus to 30,000 ringgit. Then 37,414 ringgit and 81 cents plus to 50,000. So the profit in third year was 52,414 ringgit and 81 cents. For fourth year, 2,800 units multiply with 22 ringgit and 50 cents. So the annual list price was 63,000 ringgit. 2,800 units multiply with 50 ringgit, so we get 42,000 ringgit for annual production cost. The profit was 63,000 ringgit minus to 42,000 ringgit and 52,414 114 and 81 cents plus to 21,000 ringgit. So the profit for 4 year was 17,414 ringgit and 81 cents. Lastly, for 5th year, we multiplied 3,500 units with 22 ringgit and 50 cents. The answer for annual list price was 78,750 ringgit. Next, the annual production cost, we multiplied 3,500 units with 50 ringgit, 64 ringgit and 81 cents. So the answer was 52,500 ringgit. The profit we minus the 78,750 ringgit with 52,500 ringgit, then 73,414 ringgit and 81 cents plus to 26,250 ringgit, and that was the profit for this year. We use static billboard that will cost 9,250 ringgit per year. Next, we use social media such as Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube as a platform to promote our product. This way, need and about 10,000 ringgit per year to get a better video promotion. So in 1 year, our business used 19,250 ringgit to enhance our business. After 2 years, year 6, the annual list price was 4,000 unit multiplied with 22 ringgit and 50 cents. So the total was 19,000 ringgit. For the annual production cost, 4,000 units multiplied with 50 ringgit. So the amount was 60,000. Then the calculation for year 6 profit was 6,000 ringgit plus to 19,250 ringgit, and the answer need to minus with 9,000. Also, this total amount need to minus with 99,664 ringgit and 81 cents. So the profit for year 6 was 110,440 ringgit and 81 cents. For year 7, the annual list price was 5,000 units multiplied 22 ringgit and 50 cents equals to 112,500 ringgit. For the annual production cost was 5,000 unit multiplied with 50 ringgit and equals to 75,000 ringgit. Then the profit on this year was 75,000 ringgit plus to 19,250 ringgit equals to 94,250 ringgit. Then 112,500 ringgit need to minus with that first answer. Lastly, 110,440 ringgit and 81 cents plus to 81,250 ringgit, and the equals was 128,664 ringgit and 81 cents.
To the customers, for seasonal planning, which is New Year and Merdeka, discount is 10%. Our list price product, as you know, is 22.50 cents. 22 ringgit 50 cents per unit. So amount of trade discount, we're gonna calculate it as list price multiply trade discount rate. So the trade discount is 10%, multiply 22 ringgit 50 cents. So the total is 2 ringgit 25 cents. And for the trade discount, total is like list price minus net price. So the net price is 22 ringgit 50 cents minus 2 ringgit 25 cents. So the total is 22 ringgit 25 cents. So the total discount, we're gonna calculate it 2 ringgit 25 cents.
For one agent, we give 48 units to them, and the total price is 1,018 ringgit. Trade discount that we had offered to our agent is 50%, where 1,018 ringgit multiplied with 50%, and the total was 162 ringgit. Cash discount 4% multiplied with 1,080 ringgit minus to 162 ringgit in bracket, so the equal to was 36 ringgit and 72 cents. The next payment 1,080 ringgit minus 162 ringgit plus 36 ringgit and 72 cents in bracket, and equal 881 ringgit and 28. If the agent didn't pay within cash period, they would get n over 30. 1,080 ringgit minus to 162 ringgit and equals to 980. For the company, 80% multiplied with 1 million ringgit equal to 800,000 ringgit, and then 800,000 ringgit divided to 22 ringgit and 50 cents, and we get 35,555 units. For the agent, 20% multiplied with 1 million equal to 200,000 ringgit, and then 200,000 ringgit divided to 20 ringgit and 25 cents, and we get 9,876 units. 35,531 units by 35,555 units plus with 9,876 units. That we need are 206 agents. Total net value sold is 799,981 ringgit 50 cents plus with 222,210 equal to 1,022,151 ringgit and 50 cents.